Here are your community updates for June 30th. Following the holiday weekend, the City of Grand Rapids will resume walk-in service to City Hall offices and end its 3-month break on metered parking, it announced on Monday. Walk-in service will be open for 311 customer service, the Income Tax Department, and the Treasurer's Office on Monday, July 6th, with weekend open hours from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Appointments are recommended to ensure physical distancing, and face coverings are strongly encouraged for those medically able to do so. All other City Hall offices and departments will resume walk-in services on July 13th. Additionally, as part of the city's reentry plan, restrooms at 10 of the city's parks opened Monday. Among the parks are Rosa Parks Circle, Riverside Park, Martin Luther King Park, and Wilcox Park. Metered parking in Grand Rapids had been suspended since March in light of Whitmer's stay-home order. On July 6th, the suspension ends along with the free parking zone program for downtown and neighborhood businesses. To continue encouraging business to local shops, restaurants, and entertainment venues, the City of Grand Rapids is now providing Motu parking validations to local businesses for customers and staff. Businesses may request up to 100 Motu parking validations. More details about the Motu parking incentive are available on the city's website. More details about the city's new reentry plan are available in its GRConnected Newsletter. Grand Valley State University announced on Friday it's now requiring the wearing of face coverings on its campuses, including classrooms and laboratories, when 6 feet distancing is unable to be maintained. The new protocols follow the university's confirmation that in-person classes will be returning for its fall semester. Those unable to wear face coverings due to medical conditions will be directed to GVSU's Disability Support Services. The university will provide 2 face coverings to each employee and 1 to each enrolled student. Face coverings are not required in residence halls when in a personal room, suite, or apartment. They will also not be required in dining areas when seated and dining, in offices and other areas where 6 feet distancing can be maintained, or outdoors when physical distancing is possible. More information about GVSU's COVID-related safety protocols can be found on the Lakers Together page on the GVSU's website. The Grand Rapids Pride Center released a community accountability plan on Friday, identifying actions it will take to more concretely ally with communities of color in fighting against systematic racism. The plan's release follows a June 22nd letter issued by Black LGBTQ+ members of the community, demanding the GRPC stand in solidarity with the Black Lives Matter movement and commit to their aligned requests. Committing to the community members' requests and expanding on it, the GRPC's 12-item plan ranges from ending all existing relationships with the Grand Rapids Police Department to holding listening sessions with marginalized community members, making financial contributions toward racial justice and equity, and more. The GRPC's Community Accountability Plan provides a breakdown of action details, their due dates, GRPC and community members responsible for each action, and ongoing updates. 3 of the plan's items have a due date of June 30th, all related to local law enforcement. The first 2 of these items are ending all existing relationships with the GRPD and other law enforcement agencies, and no longer contracting with them at any future Grand Rapids Pride Festival or festival-related event. Both items will be communicated to GRPD Chief Eric Payne in a formal letter. The third item, due June 30th, includes requesting the GRPD's 2020-2021 budget be reduced from 39% to 32%, allowing around $9 million to be reallocated to public services for communities of color. It was completed on June 26th through letters sent to the City Commissioners, Mayor Bliss, and City Manager Mark Washington. Full details of the GRPC's Community Accountability Plan is available on its website. With heightened advocacy around racial justice and equity sustaining momentum in Grand Rapids, a new petition has emerged to rename one of downtown Grand Rapids' busiest streets in honor of Breonna Taylor. A Change.org petition is seeking to collect roughly 3,000 signatures to reach the next stage in effort to rename Monroe Center St Northwest in honor of Taylor, a Grand Rapids native. Taylor, born and raised in Grand Rapids, was shot and killed in March by Louisville police officers executing a no-knock warrant. Her death has added to nationwide unrest over police brutality against Black lives. The petition was written and is supported by Breonna Taylor's family and Justice for Black Lives. JFBL is a local nonprofit that's organized recent Grand Rapids protests, such as Kids March Against Police Brutality at Rosa Parks Circle on June 20th. As of Wednesday evening, the petition has amassed nearly 2,500 signatures. The Rapidian encourages local residents to share their own stories related to civic, economic, and public health developments in the Grand Rapids area on the Rapidian's platform. To get started as a community reporter, visit therapidian.org/write. This update is brought to you by the Rapidian, GRTV, and the Grand Rapids Community Media Center. Take care of yourself. Take care of others.